this is what happened. It's so long. We saw that, guys? That's thunder. See, garbage. I'm gonna laugh when the garbage can just fly away. Ooh! Saw that? It's raining. Man, it's raining out here tonight. Oh, I saw that. Alright, it's starting to get windy. I swear it's starting to get very windy. Everyone, look at that. Oh my gosh. The big thunder right there. Oh, there's more? I bet that's not it. I bet it's not done. You hear that, guys, right? That was some serious thunder. Is it done now? Right. Oh! Tomorrow I'm gonna do a thing for a check out after the disaster. There. Looks good to go. It stopped. Yeah, there's no thundering anymore, guys. I promise. I think there's no. Oh! My Lord, help me. Oh my gosh. Before Missoula, you gotta watch this video. What? Yeah, it's stopping. Yeah, but it's stopping. Hey, at least on the short one, it barely did anything. Oh! It did not stop. The rain had stopped, guys. I think it's safe to say I could check in all. right after the disaster. I think we're good. Guys, I think we're good. Like, subscribe, and comment, and share this video. Goodbye.